Have you ever pondered the idea of starting your own tea business? Today, we'll explore a variety of herbal teas that could be the perfect starting point for your venture. These teas are not just popular and versatile, they also offer potential health benefits that could attract a wide range of customers. So whether you're a seasoned tea aficionado or just starting your journey, buckle up. Ready to explore the world of herbal teas? Let's dive in. First on our list is the gentle and calming chamomile tea. Known for its slightly floral flavor, chamomile has been a long-standing favorite in the world of herbal teas. This is no surprise given its calming properties, making it the perfect companion for those seeking relaxation. Its popularity and delicate taste also make it an excellent choice for those just dipping their toes into the herbal tea world. Now, let's shift gears to something a bit more invigorating: peppermint tea. With its refreshing flavor and versatility, peppermint is a crowd pleaser. It's a tea that can be enjoyed hot on a chilly day or served cold for a revitalizing summer drink. But it's not just about the taste. Peppermint tea is known for its digestive benefits, adding to its wide appeal. Next up is the citrusy and slightly sweet lemon balm tea. This delightful brew is known to promote relaxation and reduce stress. With its mild taste, it provides a soothing experience, making it a fitting choice for those seeking a calming cup of tea. Its potential health benefits and gentle flavor make it an approachable option, sure to be enjoyed by many. Now, let's spice things up a bit with the ginger tea. This brew brings a bold, spicy, and warming taste that is both invigorating and comforting. Ginger tea is often associated with aiding digestion and offering other potential health benefits. Its distinctive flavor profile makes it a standout, and it's easily incorporated into various blends, broadening its appeal. Both lemon balm and ginger tea offer unique flavors and potential health benefits, making them excellent choices for a budding tea business. With their unique flavors and benefits, these teas are sure to be a hit. Next on our list is lavender tea. This fragrant and floral tea is often chosen for its calming properties. Its unique aroma and the soothing effects it offers make it an attractive option for those seeking a tranquil tea experience. Next, we have hibiscus tea. This tea is known for its tart, vibrant taste and rich antioxidant content. The striking color and tangy flavor of hibiscus make it a versatile choice for tea blends, appealing to those who enjoy a bit of a tangy twist in their cup of tea. Then we have nettle tea. With an earthy and slightly grassy flavor, nettle tea is recognized for its potential health benefits. Being a good source of iron and other nutrients, this mild-tasting tea can be a great addition to your herbal blends. Rosehip tea is another tea to consider. This tea provides a fruity and tangy taste, and it's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Its pleasant flavor and potential health benefits have made it a popular choice among tea lovers. Lemon verbena tea is also worth mentioning. This tea offers a lemony and citrusy flavor, and is often chosen for its potential digestive and calming properties. The bright and zesty taste of lemon verbena can add a refreshing note to your tea offerings. And last but not least, licorice root tea. This tea has a sweet and soothing taste and is known for supporting respiratory health and providing throat-soothing properties. The natural sweetness of licorice root makes it a palatable option even without added sweeteners, appealing to those who prefer a naturally sweet tea. As you see, each of these teas offers something unique, enhancing the variety of your potential tea business. So there you have it, a selection of herbal teas to kickstart your tea business. Remember, the key to a successful tea business lies in the variety and quality of your offerings. With these teas in your arsenal, you're well on your way to brewing up a successful tea business. Feel free to comment, share your thoughts, and join our vibrant tea community on my YouTube channel. Let's steep success together.